First of all, please accept my congratulations on today's topic to sentence making English spoken. For you are situation to carry the next level easy English learning. I have 10 times more. I have 10 times more. I have 10 times more. We can touch the top. We can touch the top. Who can help the poor? Who can help the poor? Please come to me today. Please come to me today. Time and tide wait for none. Time and tide wait for none. Please cancel today's meeting. Please cancel today's meeting. I can pray for you today. Today. I can pray. I can pray for you today. Can you please tell me the time? Can you please tell me the time? Can you please can you please tell me the time? 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 Can you type this letter for me, please? 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 Can I use your phone and pencil, please? Can I use your pen and pencil? Can I use your pen? Can I use your pen and pencil, please? The promotion will be properly judged. The promotion will be properly judged. The promotion will be properly judged. You can come quietly by wearing a cap. You can come quietly by wearing a cap. The foolish will go for face keeping mission. The foolish will go for face keeping mission. Can you pronounce the words two and two? Can I have a cup of tea to remove my monotony? Video lesson for next topic for CB and for grandmother CB article. For the C consonant, the vowel, the C, the consonant থাকলে the আর vowel থাকলে the, যেমন fan, the top, the sun, the country, the table, the holy child, the egg. the এরপর ভাওয়েল সাউন্ড থাকে, তবে এর উচ্চারণ দি এর মতো হবে। যদি ভাওয়েল থাকে তবে TSE এর উচ্চারণ দি এর মতো হবে। the egg, the elephant, the honest man, the honest man, the umbrella, the ornament, in the afternoon, in the afternoon, in the afternoon. For tongue pronunciation good triply. Chop, cup, cup, chop. Tom tried a torn tie. Two toads totally tired today. Horse, halush, halush, hig, a hurley. Corner, hig. Kalush kicks, a khali, corner kick. Fapa, fapa, fopi, papa, fopi, papa, fopi, fats a farty, ferret. Hinley, cleaning, copper, kettles, totally, terrific, active, tongue twister. The sixth Sikh shakes sheep a Sikh. Fool the fappy and freak the fan to fook the furta. A half the fropper, coffee in a hopper, coffee cup. High teach, traveling, tractor, trailer, truck, tracker. Fita, fipa, ficat, a fig of pickled peppers. Fig, pocketing in public transport portrays a painful picture.